Everyone is here. One person is missing. Oh. Okay, there are two. And the other one. They are free. I think they will be coming. Let's set our working space. Set the unity. We all remember the way to set the unity. Check the length, check the flow, check the diameter in millimeters. You can check everything that you think it will be important for you. The velocity. Can you do okay? So we all here. So yesterday, you remember, we was just picking the point from everywhere that we don't know exactly the location. Yes, but today it will be different. You know, when you want to do a network from, for example, a place, you want to go there, you take coordinate X, Y, and Z, and sometimes you mark that infrastructures. A friend of ours have shared with us the data that he took from. I said with us the data that he took from the site. Someone is coming. Hello? Hello? So I was telling you that a friend of ours have shared with us the data that he took from the site. He went to the site, this gentleman there, yesterday night, he took those data. And all of the world, the data are the same. All of them, they have altitude, longitude, and elevation. Elevation, yes. Elevation, easting, and northing. So those are the main parameters that you may need. Those X, Y, and Z. And after, you see that he's putting the infrastructures that he wants. Yes? He's putting those infrastructures. Can help us to interpret. But what I say is this is borehole. Yes, this is what? Storage tank. You may find GN is what? Junction, yes. DP. Domestic water point. I think you can symbology those infrastructures as you want. The important thing is that you will understand. When you start designing, you will understand what is in this part, what is in this part. Yes? So in task 2, I have showed you the kind of Excels. It's better when you want to import those Excel into your WaterGEMS. It's better that you separate each infrastructure apart. The junction, you put it apart. The tank, you put it apart. The elevation, you put the reservoir, you put it apart. Each infrastructure that you may think you may have to put it apart. Remember, we have an infrastructure called junctions. Junctions may be a junction, as it said. It may be an endpoint, a domestic water point. Yes. It may be each infrastructure where you can allocate the demand, or at those junction, middle junction, wherever. So you put all junction apart, you put reservoir apart, you put tanks apart, each excel with each infrastructures. Let's try to open mine here, the junction that we have. You will find that me also, I have an ID, I have X, I have Y, I have elevation and label. You may have also other things that you want. Comment, you may add, what else you can add? Yes, please. To me, those columns are not limited to this. You may add other columns as you want to prepare your model. Yes. So then you will find that for the tank also, this network will be having one tank. For tank also we have X, we have Y, and we have elevation. Those are the main key that you must have: elevation, X, Y, and the label. Others you may have or may not have, as you can add also other columns, but that you may need also in your designs. For reservoir also we have one. You see, it's almost the same. So remember something. You don't have, for example, for the junction, it's not good. It cannot even be possible to have, for example, a junction, two different junctions who have the same label. It's not good, because if you proceed with two junctions which have the same label, those junctions will merge immediately. It have to have the different names. Even one characters is sufficient. Yes, and ID also. It cannot be possible to have two junction with the same ID. I say junction. The tanks also are the same. The reservoir are the same. You cannot have two reservoirs which have the same labels or the same ID. It has to be different before you proceed. You have to check. Yes? So then, as our model is now opened, we have a working space that we saw yesterday. It's now a time. You don't need to go to start again drawing a junction, for example, drawing a junction. You remember when I put a junction like this, it have its own X and Y and Z. Most of the time you may need to click here, and edit X and edit Y and then edit Z, and you do to another junction, up you finish all junction. This will cause laziness for you. What we are going to see now, it's a way of putting all those junctions in the model at the same time with all the properties that we may need. Yes. So yesterday I talked about these tools called Model Builder. Instead of writing, do it in your machine. You have the folder. So the Model Builder, when you click on it, it will appear an icon like this one. You do new. I want you all guys to be with me. We are here. So on this new, you will find there is selection data source, where you have to select your data source. Your data source may be of different format. as I told you yesterday. So you may have a CAD file. If you are using a CAD file, yes, we will see it also. If you are using a CAD file, you may use a Bentley design file. You may use S3 shapefile if you have shapefile from GIS or for QGIS. Yes. For us, we have what? We have Excel. The Excel that we already prepared. Click on it. And then you go to browse. You go to browse your Excel sheet at the place that you saved it. They take junction. You open it. Yes. Then when you reach here, the first things to do to see is to see if your Excel are showing the properties that you have been put on it, the table that you had in it. You have ID, you have X, you have Y, you have elevation and labels. All have those stuff. Yes? Yes, you have it. Good. So then your Excel sheet is here. It's already here. So then you do next. Here, most of the time, because yes, next. The model, it takes those numbers that you are giving, but he wants to know himself that which number are you using? Is it in feet? Is it in meter? Is it in kilometers? Is it what? So you specify the unit that you are using. Yes? Yes. You do next. Most of the time, those are updates that you have to create, but most of the time, if those you add object to destination, if present in the source, most of the time there are some understanding that the model need to have. For example, you will find where he asking you if they are missing a pipe, you want us to create that pipe for you, or if at the end of the pipes there is no node, you want us to create a node at that end of the pipes. Those are the confirmation that the model needs, so that it will create you a good scenario in it. So you do next. Here also they are asking you the map element by key field. It will be label. So here is why I want you to be very attention. Yes? You're all here? Sorry? Maybe I repeat. How to increase size. Okay, we want to increase size. You go to symbology, view, symbology, you click on it, there will be this icon. You can just double click on junction, then double click on junction. So we come with this one. You can increase symbology size multiples. May I put them on 10? For you, based on your eyes, you can put on 8 or I don't know. So also you can go to label. The label is here on junction. You go to label, you double click on it, then you increase also the label, and you can position it the way you want. They put the email there on the Zoom. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello,
How are you?
we are fine.
I didn't get you from yesterday.
We was together.
We was together.
Yes,
Okay, we are doing some exercises here. You just
yes.
send me your email
Okay.
in comment.
Uh-huh.
I will share immediately with you the exercise to do.
Okay.
Yes, I thought you were here from the morning, from the time that we start.
Yes, we are here, but there's a period we can't see you, we can't listen to you. We have a problem.
Sure.
Yes, and we write our comment even if in Swahili. We did it even.
So let them stay in touch. You stay here. We will continue proceeding together.
Okay.
Okay. That's why here in the model, we will choose that title. It's this one. Yes? In Excel, we may have another title. For example, we may have the title of Lionel, but knowing that the title of Lionel is elevation. You understand? So that title of Lionel will be appearing here. You will see Lionel here. You get it? So then we choose that title. Yes? After choosing that title, we want the numbers which is in that title to be what? To be elevation. You go here, you choose elevation. There is one of our friends who put ID, put ID, make elevation. Immediately, instead of being elevation, it becomes IDs. So you understand? Now, as we want also the properties of base elevation, also we go on that title. Remember, those are the title we have in our Excel. Yes? So you take base elevation, you go on it, you choose base elevation. Minimum, you choose minimum elevation. Don't confuse because this one is matching with this one. You may have other names, but you know that this I want it to be maximum. This I want it to be minimum. This I want it to be. You may have other titles, yes, but you understand the concept, yes. And don't forget to specify the unity. I'm not focusing on this part because I see we already set that 2 meters. Yes. We choose initial.
You choose maximum.
For minimum, I selected maximum. This is I just selected maximum. Yes, thank you. Minimum. Thank you. What? What did I do? Thank you. Initial. And then maximum. Yeah, good. Here we are good.
Yes.
So then you get why in your model there was no elevation. Yes. So because if you doesn't specify those things, your model will be buried but there will be no elevation on it. And it will take you time if you have, for example, 10 tanks. If you have 10 tanks, imagine if you build your model without elevation, you will need to go and tap each one. Well, yes, while you may put all of those information together and they go quickly in your model. Yes.
For the minimum is for initial. There are two selections there. Initial node. When you go there, I see it's like there are two options. Initial
transient and initial.
What is the
transient is when you are trying to do hammer. So then I do next again. Here they was asking you if you want just to do it for the entire, to build that one for the entire model, or if you want to build it for a selection. A selection, we are going to see what is called selection soon after producing this one. So then you do okay again. Yes. They ask you if you want to synchronize to build your model. They give me again a result. Yes. So this result, again, you see they are telling me one selection set is being created and one tank is being created. So one tank, we know what is created is that tank. But you still asking yourself, what is the selection? The selection set that they continue to tell us. Yes. So then you do stop. You cross also this one. And our tank is where? This is here. Yes. You see now, our X and Y is there. Yes. Our elevation is as we set it, and our elevation is as we set it. So by returning at your office, yes, you will always have a kind of dots like this one. Yes. From there, you will know that I'm coming from the borehole. You know that I'm coming from the bore. This is a borehole. Even if I mention it as a reservoir, but for this network is a borehole. So you know that you are coming from this borehole. There is a tank here, and from this tank you supply on this tap one, and you continue supplying as you designed your network. You already know. Yes. So now it's now a time to sketch pipes. So those pipes will help you in two ways. The first way, you will use them when we produce map. Yes, because we already know that those infrastructures that we have, those data that we have in the WaterGEMS can be imported directly to GIS to produce a map. So you will import those as it is. By adding also the pipes, you import them directly to the GIS to produce a map. And again, it will help you now to sketch the profiles. You will take those lines also, you import it into AutoCAD or into Civil 3D, and then based on from there that you can plot now the profile. Yes, you see now from WaterCAD it is important to sketch the pipeline from there and then import them into other softwares. So that's why, because we don't know all how the network is being designed. That's why I just prepared for you I prepared for you this kind of schematic to know where water is coming and where water is going, how pipes are being distributed. You will ask me how this is happening. It's because those pipes are taken from other softwares and bring into WaterGEMS. But for us, you will only draw the For us, you will only draw the pipelines. Just for example, you don't need to go in this way, in this way, in this way to reach here. You can just immediately pick like this one. Yes, we will see how TV finalized after coming from the coming from the other softwares to WaterGEMS. You just pick the pipeline for easy way. So you will refer to this and then try to sketch the whole network. Yes? Yes. After we will add demand, and after adding demand, we will try now to size the pipe, our pipes, to see how the pipe are being also sized. Okay? And I know on this network we will need also a pump. We will see how also to put a pump and how to set a pump. Yes? So from this network, everything will be seen. The last things I wanted to show you before leaving to going to Blake is the selection set that I was you was understanding every time. There is an icon here. Yes, this is called the selection set. So by clicking on it, you will find a kind of those element added via model builder, element added via model builder, element added via model builder. You remember when we added the junction, they say there is one selection set which is created. You remember? That was a selection set of those junction which was created. I think it was the first one. The first one. If you click on it, all the junction will be selected. Yes? So if you click on the next, the other things that you added will be selected. Yes? And if you click on another one, the one that we added also will be selected. So now, apart from those who have been created from the software, how to create your own group. Yes? How to create your own group. You may think that I want all the tabs to have a selection set. Yes? All the tabs. You go to all the tabs. Even if I don't know where they are all, but let's take tab 3. Here there is tab 4. You select, you do control, you select the other one. Control, you select the other one. Yes? You see, control, select tab 5. Yes? Control, select tab 7. You select everything that you want to group together. Yes? And then, here I have 4. And then you do right click. Yes? Create the selection set. Yes? You click on it. You name the set that you are creating. Let's name it tabs. And then you do OK. It will immediately added here. And by clicking on this one, all of those set will be created. Yes? To mean there is a time that you may be designing a network, for example, of 100 tabs. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yes, where are you with the assignment I sent you?
We didn't even start. We are not together.
You didn't even start.
Yes. We don't even hear you.
You didn't even start.
Yes.
At least you saw how to add nodes, what junction.
No, we told you we told you when you start how to call the data. we didn't even see, we didn't even hear you, and we told you, can you try again to repeat the setting in tank, and then how to call the node, the junction.
Are you with the model now?
Yes.
You have the Excel, you already download them?
Yes, we have already downloaded.
So you are seeing my screen?
Yes, I see.
You are seeing my screen, okay. Then let's see how to add the junctions.
Okay.
You finish the everything. I will be explaining this one like 5 minutes, and then we continue. Flash? Someone will have a flash. So then you are seeing my screen?
Yes, we see it.
Okay, then we are going to see how to add junction. You already have an Excel. That Excel of task 2. We saw that we have an Excel of junction, an Excel of reservoir, an Excel of tanks. So what you are going to do is to go in model builder.
Okay.
You go in model builder, there will be an icon like this one. Yes. So then you do new. After doing new, there is this data source. Select the data source. You have to select the data source. You have either CAD, either shapefile, or either Excel. Because you are using Excel, you are going to select Excel.
Okay.
So after you browse where your Excel is, here,
Okay.
you choose the junction. Do open. Here?
Yes.
So and then after you can see the preview of your Excel. You will see you have different columns. You have ID, X, Y, elevation, and labels. You are seeing them by clicking this preview. So then you can go next.
Okay.
Use the meters that you are using.
Okay.
We are working in meters.
Yes.
And then you do next. Here they are asking some confirmation if you want to create some references object automatically, or there are some updates that they want you to confirm. Then you do next. Next again. The attention is here. So here you have to choose the infrastructures that you are adding. We are adding junction, you remember? Yes. So you come here and then you select the junction. If you are adding the tank, you come here, you select the tank. If you are adding the reservoir, you come here, you select the reservoir. If you are adding anything else, you come here, you select it. Yes?
Yes.
For us, we are selecting junction. And then you have to create the key label, the key field. The key field. The key field is the field that will be labeled in your layout. So for here, we want labels to be labeled in our layout. Then after, you select the X field, you select also the Y field, so that they will have those properties.
Yes, we have it.
Then after, you come to... Hello?
Okay, continue. We are together.
So then you come here to put elevation. In here, you need, those are the columns that we have in our Excel. Those one are columns. So you pick the elevation and you want it to be elevation in your model. So you select here properties of this one to be elevation. You select the elevation. For the tank, you will be having also other columns here, like base elevation, initial elevation, maximum elevation. You have to select this one and select the one you want to have it properties. Yes. We're together?
Yes, we are together.
Hello?
We are together.
So then you do next.
Continue.
Here it's a
Yes.
matter of screenshotting.
Okay.
Then you do next. Here they will ask you if you want to build your model now. You pick yes.
Okay.
And then you do finish. After doing finish,
Okay.
they will ask you if you want to synchronize your model. You do yes. Your model will be synchronized.
Yes.
You are getting a notification. You got a notification?
Yes, you got.
It's telling you what?
The model builder.
You close it.
Yes, I've already closed it.
You cross this also.
Okay.
They are asking you if you want to build your drawing now.
Yes, they asked me, do you wish to synchronize the drawing now?
Yes.
Yes.
You do yes.
Yes, I've already done it.
So go to Zoom Extend here.
Zoom to it. Okay.
Zoom Extend, you already did?
Yes, but it does not appear.
Are you?
I've already. Yes.
You are seeing your notes?
Appear the point. Yes, it is already. It is already. I've
Okay,
already
then.
seen it.
Okay, then you can. So then you can add reservoir and you can add tanks and then draw the pipeline.
Okay.
So we are going to continue. Others have already finished this task. We are going to continue with that. Maybe after this session, I will take just 20 minutes to explain you the remaining part.
It's okay.
But what I'm asking you is to stay online, to stay here to see what we are doing, so that it will be easy for you.
Yes, we are here, but the problem sometimes we can't hear you, we can't even see what you are teaching. That is why. From the morning we are here, but the problem is, I don't know it is in your part or it is in our part.
You will arrange your pipe according to also the range of your pressure. So to me, if in the network from point A to point B, the pressure is ranging from 0 to 60, better to use a pipe of PN10. Yes? And then if from point B to point C, the pressure is ranging from 61 to 100. Better use a pipe for PN60. And you go this way. When the pressure is going down, you reduce the PN. When the pressure is going up, then you increase the PN. You continue joking like that one. You are good.
Where PN9 can be used?
PN9 can be used.
Since PN6 is started from 0 to 60, but there is no proper indication of the 4, which is class 6 broken.
Okay. So many people, are you still there?
Please hear you. We are seeing.
Yes, there is a document that I shared on WhatsApp to size the pipe. I think
Okay.
you will get them.
We get it.
Yes, we are going to use them in sizing the pipes.
Okay. Kuna vitu vingine kama vile kama tushapiga picha, vitu vingine hamna ile sio watu ya classification. But we have two questions. Question number one, let's be like how you set up tank set. Sindio? How you get the initial beds, because how you set the in the how you get initial.
For me, the water, instead of coming from the source to the tank, is coming back from the tank to the source. As I told you yesterday, the water in WaterGEMS is going where the way is easy. So most of the time while designing, you will find also having two tanks, the one here and the other one here. The water is going back. So during that session, they may need a pump to pump water from these lower tanks to the upper tank. This is the scenario which is here. We need a pump to take water from the reservoir to these tanks. So, but before inserting the tank, I want first to design. I want first to design those pipes because they are still bigger. They are still bigger. So I want one of our friends to tell us the criteria that which can guide us to size those pipes, especially velocity. I think is the one that you need first. Which velocity can we take? You can take that one 0.5 to not above to 1.5. We keep that? Yes. Okay, let's keep that. By keeping that, then what you do while sizing the tank, you can just open yourself the flex table of your pipes. You see in your flex table of your pipes, they are in most of the flex table. There are some columns which are yellow and others which are white. There are some which is yellow and others which are white. The one with white cannot be changed. You cannot edit this place. Yes? But the one with white, you can edit it. So we are seeing all of you are saying that we have diameter are white. To me, the diameter can be changed. Yes? So you are seeing the flow. The flow are not yet done. Why the flow is 0? I have to check why the flow is 0 on this pipe. This is because I get why. So there are some who have 0 flow here also. Yes? Have you opened the flex table for pipes?
Yes.
You opened. There are some pipes who have 0 flow. And why? So this is because we have one decimal number and it is a rounding. Yes? So what we have to do is to put other decimal numbers on this column. How to do it? You just click on right click and go to format and unit. Unit and formatting. Yes? And you add value. Here. Display precisions. Let's take 2. By taking 2, you will see numbers are coming now. Yes? Those online, are we together?
Yes, we are together.
9 people, we are together.
Yes, we are together.
Yes. Column of row. You don't see it. Now, there are some who doesn't see the column of flow, and there are others who doesn't see the column of velocity. They are together. Yes. So we are going to see now how to add column. Even if yesterday we saw it, there are some who forget. Yesterday we saw it. Yes, yesterday we saw it. It was quick. Yeah. Every time there is something that will be quick, but you will need it in the future. It's better to be attention. So let's see it now again. So you may find that you have a few columns here. Yes, but there are others who have many. So one way of doing that is to come here, edit a flex table, click on it. There will appear these types of icons. So those which are here are the one we have in the flex table. Yes, and those which are here are the one which are available to be put on a flex table. So you check what you need. You are saying that you are missing flow. You check flow. So flow, you check it. You click on it. You come here. You put it in this side. Yes. You can even remove what is here to this place also. Yes. So the one way to do it is just to click on it, bring it back. For example, I take flow, I bring it back. It is removed here. Yes. To mean in my reflex table, you will not find flow. Yes.
Yeah.
Let's take it back. You want to repeat the step? Repeat the step. Here, edit. The flex table first. So, then there is also a way of arranging those things. You can arrange them. Shift it here as you want. Okay. Me, I'm missing something. Which is one? Material. I have to see material here. Okay. You have to have material. You have to have material. You have to have internal diameter, and that the things that I want you to check on is now Hasan-William coefficient. It's here. And also, it's better also to have head rows. Yes? So to me, what I want you to know with this table, yes, is that you can edit the way you want, because the report will start from there. Okay? It's not even important to edit before. You can even edit after, because the calculation are already there. Yes, but those important things that you want to have to see while designing, it's better to see them here. So I want you to check this as and William for HDPE. You're taking how much? 140. Yes. So then I want you to have this trick also. So you will not need to edit 140, 140, 140, 140, 140 up to down. There is a way of editing it all at the same time. Yes? Okay. How to do it? Tomorrow someone will ask me. So how to do it? You double click on this one again, and then you do global edit. Yes, global edit. So then global edit, you add the number that you want to add, 140. Yes?
Yes.
And you do okay. What? Pipe material. What? Here?
Yes.
But you do like this.
Yes.
That's why.
Yeah. It's automatically
Change the reason also. It's happened because it is inside here. But pipe material, you can also do this. You edit it. Let's say HDPE. And then you do okay. So you change immediately all. So those who was asking me the importance of doing selection set, now you are get. Because if you do a selection set of the pipe that you want them to be, for example, HDPE, yes, then you click on that set, it's being selected. See this one also. Try to see this one. I want to show you another trick. Today it will be a day of tricks.
Sorry. I mean, I have changed the material type, but the coefficients did not change.
Yes, because you changed the way I was changing.
So
You don't use. We will see. It's okay. It's okay like that. It's okay. So another trick on a selection set. So we saw how to edit the things quickly. Yes. We saw how to edit the flex table. Yes. So we saw how to create selection set. Yes. So now let's select those 3 pipes, both together, and create a selection set of it. We call it what? We call it give me a name, please. 3 pipes. Okay. Service lines, at least. Let's call it service line. We all have this selection set. We all have it There are some who lost. So we already created the selection set, yes? We already created the selection set. So then you go to that set, you select them. It was like this, you select them, yes? You go to attribute table, yes? And then right click on the pipes, yes? And then open selection. It will only give you the attribute table of the pipe that you select. So not only you don't have only to pass on selection set. This is because I wanted just to show you one of the interest of selection set. You can even just pick some nodes, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and then go to node. Yes? You do right click, you open. It gives you only the node that you have been selected. Yes? And from there you can edit all together.
Select them first.
Select them first. We are together?
You create a set. Selection set. Sorry. Double click. Select
No, right click.
Open on selection. Give you what you select.
I think you are taking those tips. Yes?
Yes. You said you are going to show us how to change the value as in the material. Once you change the material, the value changes automatically.
Oh, this is the one who did it, but it was the case. Him, he did and he was. We will see. Don't worry. Don't run quickly. So then, let's try sizing now. Okay?
Yes.
So, in sizing, you just have to know. I'm going to size this pipe. Yes?
Yeah.
From down, we are together.
Yes.
I think you check all that you have. Material, diameter in your reflex table of pipes. You have them?
Yeah.
So then we are going to select this pipe. Only this pipe. And open that attribute table of it. Only that pipe. And open that attribute table of it. You did. Only that pipe, this one, and open a reflex table of it. You open, or you are waiting to see the way. So, I'm asking, this pipe is having a diameter of 152.4.
So I think
People from online, are you there?
Yes.
Are you there?
Yes. There.
Please, are you there?
Yes. They are together.
Hello, people from online. Are you there?
Yes.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. The problem is I don't hear you. Even us, we don't hear you. Even us, we don't hear you. I seek the setting. There is a problem. Like now, we can't see anything. We just see your name on the screen. We don't hear you. Your mic is off. We don't even see what you are doing now.
Hello.
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 Hello. Hello. Na sisi tukijibu hello, hamtusikii huko kama sasa hivi. Hii ni mtandao, mimi sinataka kuelewa.
Guys online, are you there? Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, people.
Mm-hmm. Tunasikia. Hello. Yes, I'm online. Okay. Okay. 20 minutes need for education. Sio muda. Sio muda ndio unachomana. This is last hero online. Okay. Jamani, it is okay. Okay.
Hello, are you there? Hello there? Hello? So what's wrong with you? She's not even speaking.
Mtu ambaye leo anaitwa anisikii kitoka hivyo anataka tena
katika mtandao.
shida kumwelewa, kwa sababu hapa sasa ashindwa kuelewa sisi kwetu kitokea shida, hataki kuelewa kabisa. Tunamtikia nusu saa kabisa. Tuelekeze kile ambacho kilichopo huku.
Namba unayopiga haipokelewi.
Achana.
Tafadhali jaribu tena
Tutafanya
baadaye.
shughuli.
Namba ya call.
Itagonga hapo, no?
Natoa mic na mute. Sema nini kimute kwamba na Yesu asikia? Na kama hapo tayari nimeweka on.
Sasa mdaula akuuliza are you online ana leo najibu basi.
Tunajibu tatizo mnakuwa msikii. Haya subiri najibu kila saa ndugu yangu. Ila sasa hivi nilikuwa nimetoka. Mbona sasa hivi siwasikii na hello.
Yes, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, let then I want you to know where you have lost.
Okay. First, we was together from when we call the data. But the problem we have you the setting of tank is our problem.
Yes, have you tried to locate the tank? At least locate the tank and the junction.
Yes, we have already.
So can you
located. We have already.
Can you share with me your screen, please?
Tell me how
to share the screen.
Yes. Do you remember that? To share. Let me try.
Yes.
To share. Do you remember to share screen? Familiar screen. How to tufungue again kwenye kompyuta. Share. Nakumbuka tulikuwa tunabonyeza. Sasa ni
You're seeing down there is small columns down which is a sharing screen.
Sharing screen. Okay. Yes. That is a problem. The problem is that we are doing on another laptop, on another computer. Let me connect in this computer and then you will share.
But there is no problem with the computer. If there is other computer, you can just take it. You can just share your screen from there.
Okay, how?
Hey, you say you are doing model in your computer and the Zoom is in your other computer.
Yeah, we have a computer.
You just you have to use yours. Okay.
Okay. Give me a flash. Let's try. This is another. This is it.
I'm waiting for you to share your screen, please.
Okay, sawa. Nimesikia. Думаю, хочу.
She's not there. She's not there.
He's trying to.
Madam Grace, Engineer Grace, can you please share the screen so the instructor can see where have you reached? Because
We told you our problem is that we done on another computer. That's why we have faced the difficulty to share. Even if we share
okay.
in this
If
computer,
it's another computer, madam, if it's another computer and you're using maybe a phone, can you just turn on the camera and
okay.
turn on the camera and
Okay.
we try to see it from here.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so it's good.
Engineer Grace.
Yes.
I don't know why you're taking so long, because the at the right hand side of this mute icon there's a video there.
Video, I saw it's a video.
Yes, can you just turn on the one at your interface, your screen interface? Turn it on so that we can see where have you stuck, because the instructor has not yet taken any lunch. He's consulting you, and the way you put him in pause for something that you can just turn on the camera and show him what you have done.
They tell me like, I saw the camera. Where the circle
Madam, what type of device you are using to log in this meeting?
Zoom, computer, laptop.
Yes, if it's a laptop, does a laptop don't have the front camera?
It has, but where it is a problem for me to see. Let me look. Video, it is.
You know what?
HP camera.
Engineer Grace. Engineer Grace. To put it simple, take a picture, send it to his WhatsApp, or share it here on the screen, on the chatting box. If it is impossible, send it to the Gashuri's WhatsApp, so he can see when he is taking lunch and he sees where you have stuck, and he instructs you what to do.
Yes,
that is the problem. Okay, madam, just take the picture and send it to the WhatsApp of the instructor.
Okay.
Okay.
People online, are you there? So for the reflex table, you put starting pressure and stop pressure both. You have to include them in the reflex table when you are considering pressures. You have to include them, starting pressure and the stopping pressure. This one. We are continue. I'm glad we know how to add columns in our reflex table. This one and this one. Yes, they are similar to that one. Pressure M what similar to those one. Pressure stop and pressure start. You can add them. Those online, are you there?
Yes.
Good. Now we are at the same level. So there is another hint that I want to show you how to trace. To me, while we was at this guys, I was wondering how can I find the pipe which have high velocity for this line. Yes, so there is a way of tracing, for example, from here to here to see all of those pipes. Yes, we are together. Oh. You come here to query. Yes. Query. Query is here. You go to view, and there is a query here. Yes? Then you can do network trace. Yes? So then from here, there is many ways to trace. Yes? You can trace upstream, you can trace downstream, and you can trace also nearest element or nearest upstream, nearest downstream. Yes? And also you can trace a shortest path from here to another way. Yes? There is all those scenarios that exist. So let's trace the shortest path. Click on this one. Yes? And then the shortest path. Double click on it. Yes. And then you can just take from the tank, you click on the tank and to the other node. So we immediately show you from the starting point, the tank, to the node 880. You do OK. So immediately select this line. Okay. We are here. We are here. So there is a way of many ways of selecting or for tracing. You can trace, for example.
Sorry, sir. Can you share your screen? We can't see. We just hearing you only.
Oh, sorry. I'm sharing. You see it now?
Yes, now I see.
Okay.
Yes, I see now.
So then, I was telling you that there is many ways of tracing. If you want to trace a path from a location to another location, so you go to query. Yes. Query is in a view. You go to query. Then there is many ways. You can find a shortest path. You can trace upstream of a certain point. You can trace downstream of a certain point. You can trace the nearest element, the path to the nearest element specified. So then you can say the nearest tank of this node, for example, or a nearest pumping station of this location. You can also trace the nearest downstream, the nearest upstream, things like that. So let's start with the shortest path. Yes? Maybe have a point here and a point here and see what is the shortest path that the water can take. So then you double click on it, you come to that tank, and then you go to another point that you want. Okay. So immediately create a selection for that. Yes? So from there, when the things is selected, you can make a selection set of this line. Yes? Or you can even open an attribute table of the pipe, for example, and see the pipeline which are in between those ones. Yes? We are good here?
Yes.
So then you can see now how to select, for example, a downstream or upstream. Let's start from upstream. You just double click on upstream, trace upstream, and what I want to trace is upstream. Maybe this junction, the upstream of this junction. We all know what you mean upstream.
Okay.
Yes. the upstream of something. Then I click here, I do okay. So, okay. This was another trick. Then we're going to try to size that now the pump. Yes, so that this, the water is not going in its proper direction. Yes?
Yes.
What you have to do first is to calculate the parameters of your pump. First, you get the head. Yes? The head here, we have this elevation. The designer, we have a designer here. Those who play in design, you are included. You are going to help us to calculate the head of the pump. And the Q. That's, no, this is the properties of the tank. The tank is located at this elevation. Yes? And then the borehole, our borehole, or our reservoir, is located at this location. No. This one. Okay? Then, another thing that you are going to need is what? Yes. Take it like a booster. Don't worry. They take this like a reservoir. Forget about the bore. You need it? The flow. Thank you. How to get the flow? Thank you. The demand for the whole system. Yes? How can I get the demand for the whole system? How can I check it? Outlet of the tank. Here. The flow. Outlet here. The flow is 1.5 through 3. Oh no? The summation of the demand. Yes. It will depend on the pumping hours. What we are not yet reaching that area. We are still asking our demand that is needed. Yes. So then we must know the demand, the sum of the demand. Yes. So the WaterCAD is allowing how to find it quickly. One way is just to go on a flex. You know that the demand are on the nodes. Yes. Yes. So you go open the junction nodes, the flex table. Yes. Correction demand. Yes. And then click here. This one. Not that way. There must be a column of demand also. There is? You have it? Yes. So let me add it. Demand.
It's there. It's there already.
Is there?
Yes.
Oh, why I not see it here?
Try to just this now.
Maybe this one. That is, yes. I didn't get it. This is here. Yes, then you click on it, yes, and say statistics. Yes. On statistics, you will immediately see the sum, the node that we have, it's 1.7. Yes? 1.7, you will see if there is a minimum one is 0, the mean one is this one, the maximum one is this one, but we need the sum. To mean our network is having a demand of 1.7 liter per second. Yes? Then we have Q. We have difference in elevation. I want you to calculate the pump. $1.7, yes. Just I want one person to help us. Hmm? It's the same. You're getting difference.
Yes, we will calculate the head loss. Summation of the head loss.
Yes. Summation of the head loss. The demand are the same. I was looking, the gentleman is saying that the demand we are having there is different than the one we have in Excel. I was checking and I find it's the same. It's the same.
It's 1.7.
Yes, it's 1.7. Hey, it's the same. It's the same. You have which demand? You have 3.0. There must be an error with you. So then we must find head loss. Yes? Head loss. Head loss of this pipe. Yes? The problem is that our pipe is going back. If you take the head loss like it is now, it will give you a long head loss. So you have to calculate head loss by yourself. Yes. So you know the pipe. You are first proposing the pipe that you want to use. Yes. This is a critical part. You first select the pipe that you want to use. Yes. Maybe as we have like 1.7, yes, you may think yourself, if I put that one in a pipe, for example, of 63, does it okay or does not okay? Ask yourself, will it work? If I take this Q and I put it into these pipes, the velocity will be okay or will be wrong? Will be okay. Yes. Then let's use the pipe of 63. Yes. Now we have diameter. Yes. We have the length. The length of it can be found here. Yes.
Once we connect to this junction, the length of the pipe that you get, actually that is
on site. Yes. The length of that pipe. Right? 402.
Yeah, it is there. It is there.
Where is it?
Go.
Okay, 402. We have also the length. So we have the length, we have diameter, the head loss can be calculated, yes? Use the Hazen-Williams. Yes? 402 meter. Hmm? Which one? Sorry? How I attend that length? The length is calculated itself. It is in reflex table. The process to reach here. It's a matter of adding the column of length only the way we are doing. This is a reflex table.
Maybe you go there and show you.
So it's a reflex table. I'm opening just the flex table of pipes. So in the flex table of pipe, you may find length or not. For me, it's already there. The length is here. Each pipe I have its own length. If the length is not here, I add it the way we are adding. Come here, see the lengths here, and pick it here, and then do okay. The lengths will immediately come here. Yes. So why, maybe you may ask yourself why you are seeing one. I just make a selection of this one, come to table, pipe table, do right click, open on selection. I get only one, the one I want. Yes? Yes. Yes, please. Okay. Another thing before jumping, why my flow here is negative? Because I saw one of you also they have flow which are negative. There's some who has. Yes? Yes, you have it. No one else? So this means my water is going mostly in the wrong direction. Or my pipe is drawn in the wrong direction. There are two cases. So to me, when you are sketching your pipe, you have to sketch it in the direction that water will go. Yes? If the water is coming from where to where, you have to sketch it like this one. So this will help you. If the water turns back, because it's happening, you will immediately see it in the reflex table. That there is a negative. The negative side. Yes? So you have them. So it's not because your water is going in the wrong direction, but you draw the pipes in the wrong direction. Yes. So it's better to draw the pipe in the correct direction so that after, if the water goes in the wrong direction, you will realize.
So for this issue, what we have to do is we need to calculate the headless.
Yes.
Manual.
Manual, yes. You know why manual? Because if we take the head loss that is shown here, is what I was about to tell you. If we take the head loss, which is now here, it is not correct because water is going in a wrong direction and is creating wrong head losses.
So for this, it's just for the sake of this example, because in reality, I think when we do pump size, we already have the discharge. And because it's the bore pump, it means that we already have the pump stage, everything.
Exactly.
And we don't need to do the head loss calculation because we will put in the pump before doing the water, because we install as a part of the flow water from the borehole. The tank and the tank size, we already know the tank size and everything, so we don't need to.
You are wrong. Oh, let me say the reason that I said that you are wrong.
We can't hear.
Yes, I was looking for someone.
Okay.
Don't worry, we are still there.
Okay. Your voice, we can't hear you.
So, what I was explaining is that the way of calculating the head losses. So me, I have the book Excel which gives the whole result of the pump characteristics. So by calculating the head loss, I was telling you I put only the head. Yes. The Q is 1.7. Yes. Diameter is 55. Yes. The length is 4.402. Yes. 402. Yes. And the Q.
We can't hear you. We can't see even your screen.
Ahead of 18.9. If you are having ahead of this one, you cannot find the pump of this edge. Yes. Yes. Are you going to find the pump of this one? You managers, you are the one who requisition the pump. Can you find the pump of this one? So you have to go to the catalog and see to the manufacturer of the pump and see the pump which can at least correspond to nearby this level. Maybe 20. Yes. So is it okay? We are having this one. We are estimating a pump of 20, and then the efficiency of 75. The power will be this one. Efficiency of the motor. Oh, seeing what we are. And then the efficiency of the pump. Then you propose the unit in 30. And the backup. Every time the unit in 30 and the backup pump, so that if one had a malfunction, the other one will proceed. So the total pump will be 2, the working hours will be 12. Then when you reach here, that your working hours will be 12. What does that mean? So you remember those flow that we saw here in the WaterCAD? In WaterGEMS, the flow that we saw here, that flow of 1.7 is the flow of 24 hours. Yes? And we want our tank to operate in 12. You have a pump on the treatment plant?
Yes.
To operate in how many hours?
Yes. Full time because of demand.
Is that good? Is that good? No, it is not good. The pump cannot operate 24 hours, 24 hours, continue to pump. At least you size the way, it will have 4 or more than 4 hours to rest, at least. Yes? So let's take for us 12 hours. There is most of the time which is recommended is 6, 8, 12, 16, and I think 18 also. Maximum is 20, yes. Maximum is 20. So to me, your pump is it have to last 15 hours. It will last only 10 years. So then, to me, the water we have, we are going to multiply it by 2, so that the pump have to work 12 hours, but within that 12 hours, the pump will be able to deliver the whole quantities of water and the delivery tank to be supplied. Yes? You are getting that theory?
Yes.
There are some who doesn't understand. So we need 1.7 liter per second, but within 12 hours, within 24 hours. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
For you, you can calculate for me how many meter cubic per day. Manager there is calculating. Yes, I am good per day. Yes.
3.6, you get it per hour. But this is meter cubic. You supply 6.1 meter cubic per hour. 6.1 meter cubic per hour.
6.1 meter cubic per hour. 1 to meter cubic per hour. Then you multiply by 24. You get per day.
Yes. One for the 6.88 meter cubic per hour.
146.88. 147.
This one?
Yes, per day.
Meter cubic per day. So to me, as our pump will work 12 hours only, it have to pump those water in 12 hours. You get it? So to me, we are going then now, instead of let this water per day, we will let it per 12 hours. So per hour, it will pump how much? You divide it by 12. You get how much? Sorry? You divide by 12.
Yes.
Get per hour.
12.24. 12.24 meter cubic per 12 hours. Wow.
Per hour.
Wow, yes.
Per liter. Per liter.
So divided by 3.6, 3.4 liters per second.
Per second, yes? This is the water that we have to use in our calculation of the pump. 3.4. Liter per second.
1.71 times 2. Simple.
It was simple like that. The problem is that You guy. So at least. So then it's 3.4. So we have to change from here. From here, 3.4. Yes. The head loss now is increasing. Sorry. And now and here also. Yes. 3. This one is not changing. So now the head loss, instead of being 20, it's become 31. Yes? The head of our pump. So now we estimate, most of the time, you take the capacity that you have in calculation, you add 15% of it, so that to get to be safe. Yes, when you are calculating a pump like this on your table, don't give that exact amount. You just add 15% to be safe, of safety. Get, at least you know if the pump will coming from Germany to Tanzania, hitching here. So here you can try just to estimate at 40, take 40, estimated one. So then we have head, we have pipeline, and the flow. Yes. Now it's time to return to our model. Yes. So then, when you are going to position a pump, you remember where to find it. Yes. Click it here. You come and you put it near the reservoir. Yes. Here. So then let increase the size. Increase the size. Are you there? Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Hello.
You are there?
Yes.
Okay.
Get together.
So then, after positioning your pump, the first things you do, you know when you are constructing a pumping station, yes? You are trying your best so that your pump will go lower a little bit to your suction tank or your suction reservoir. Okay? Yes. So here also you have to check on that. If the tank, my tank, is having elevation of 1090, yes, and my reservoir is having 1078, does the water going to go itself to this pump? It will cause the problem. Yes, you have to reduce the level of that pump a little bit. Even 0.2 is enough. Yes. So you edit that one. First of all, you can put at the same level. And then you can just remove those points. Just a little bit like this, so that the water can flow directly to the pump. This is technical. Exactly. You had a problem? And so the pump, we went to the layout, just take the pump here, and we come, drop it there. Aha, good. There is someone putting the tank is looking down. Yes, here is just try to sketch pipeline in the way you want water to go. This is because your pipe, instead of going up, is going down. Why me is going there? So there is a way of correcting that. There is a way of correcting that, even for the pipe. Yes, you are following. You are following. So you just click on a pump, you do right click and do reverse. If I do reverse, my pipe is yes. Yes, please. For the pipe also is the same. When the pipe you have a negative line, the direction is good, you can just click on it and do right click and do also is here. Pump definition. It's here. You are there? You are there. Pump definition. There are some who saw it. There are others. Properties and pump definition. So then, you see that there is no definition of our pump. Yes? It's called the norm. So we have to define now our pump. We put a pump, but you have to give definition. You have to give properties. So then you click on here, edit pump definition. You click on it, there will be this icon. Yes? So here we have to have at least one definition. You click on it to create one. So there is many ways of creating, of defining a pump. But for us, we are only based on 1 point. The 1 point which will give us the head and the flow by using only 1 point. So we have our flow. Our flow is how 3.4. Put it here, and then our head is 40, if I well remember. Yes, you do okay. It will immediately give you a pump definition. And the graph for head to flow is called this graph is called what? Thank you. So then you can name this definition So, hello. When? Huh? She left it.
She sent you a picture.
No, he didn't. He didn't. Let's see. Let me see. It's been a long time. No, he didn't.
So, our distance is this one.
Extended simulation. Maybe the steady state is the one we were doing. The steady state. Extended simulation, we will see if we get a time, we will check on it. We will start to be. If I end up with a simulation, at least, then you have this steady state. Understand it. On Friday, or if you get another time, I will pass through it. But why? Because I know if now I give you a network alone at your Zanzibar day, you will start calling me. Sure, how to do? So better we live with your basic knowledge with you. You get? So you guys, this one is asking me. So me, I can give you many things, many things that you cannot even imagine with this WaterGEMS. But I'm asking, is it important for you to give you many things that you will not understand? Or I can give you at least the basic things which is important, where you can sit somewhere with someone and tell him, I know WaterCAD, and you do something, he think, okay, you know. Me, I prefer that. Instead of giving you many things, and you will return home, sitting at your computer, say, hey, how to add a table. You know, yesterday there is things that I show you, and the morning it was forgotten. I know tomorrow morning also there will be others that will be forgotten, but I will try to continue passing through, returning back to those things so that at least you will stay with them in mind. Yes, this is the way. I think it's the good way to proceed with this training. I don't know your feedback. I know Friday, if you go home and someone gives you a design, you will start calling, Kashuri, can you please help me?
I will call you.
Yeah. So better I give you the important things that you may require, so that even if you go back at your home, you will continue running. I know today, for example, I was showing you, for example, I was showing you this one, dress. There is others that I didn't do. But if you sit at your home, you may think how to dress the path to nearest downstream element specified. You click on it, you find how it works. Yes? You see, I'm pressing to nearest reservoir. You find how it works. And then you see if it goes. Doesn't go because I select the downstream. So if I do upstream, I put it reservoir, do okay. Because it's upstream, it goes. I didn't do one by one, but I show you the key. Now you can sit yourself and then run others. Yes? But if you want me, I will do also. I will do also. So let's call it a day. It's been a pleasure today. I'm happy that I see you are following. Yes, you are following the things that I'm doing. You are capturing. Everyone is capturing. And if there is anyone who has a problem, you can ask. Yes, please. Don't say this one did that. I don't know how he know, but he did. We will have it. Time. Yes. There are some who are continue exploring, but I'm sure that we will have a time. Maybe him, he's just coloring, make all things blue. But you, I will explain you how to color. If you want to color based on what, how, everything, you will see.